welcome to our channel Let's Learn with me. I am Vaishnavi and in this channel is all about learning and growing together. In this video we are starting in a new series about prompt engineering and I will explain everything in a simple and practical way. Even if you are a beginner you can understand easily and follow along. So let's get started and learn something new together.
In this class, we will discuss on what is AI, LLM, and prompt engineering. The first one is AI. AI is a machine that can think, understand, and make decisions like in a human. Some examples of an AI is ChatGPT answering your questions, and Google Maps it gave the directions. Then Instagram it recommended a reels. Face recognition on your phone. These are some examples of an AI. So AI learns patterns from the data and gives in a smart outputs. The next one is LLM. LLM stands for Large Language Model. It is a type of artificial intelligence trained to understand a language, generate a text, answering your questions, and follow instructions. Some examples of an LLM, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. These are some examples of an LLM. So why it is called a large? Because it is trained on a huge amount of data, such as in books, websites, articles, research papers, conversations, code. The more data, the smarter the model becomes. For example, we are preparing an exam. We learn everything, whole syllabus. Whatever the question came, we answer according to the question. In the same way, the LLM also trained on a huge amount of data. So it understands the instructions and generated a meaningful response like in a humans. LLM don't think like in a humans. Instead, they predict. For example, if you type the sky is, the model predicts a blue because it has seen the patterns many times with enough training. This prediction becomes powerful enough to create in stories, code, essays, emails, jokes, business plans, YouTube scripts, design ideas. Right? How LLM works. For suppose if you write in a poem, so you type, write in a poem about an rain. So it processes the grammar, tone, style, topic, everything. Based upon a millions of examples, it generates a response that feels meaningful. The next one is why LLM feels smart. Because they have learned grammar, logic, tone, everything. They know relationships between the words, world knowledge, content understanding. Some advanced LLM also do an reasoning, summarizing, coding, planning, translation. That's why LLMs are called smart because they train everything. Why LLMs are useful? It has an automated task, it speeds up the content creation, it assists the coding, helps in learning difficult topics, it improves the productivity and it business workflows, customer support, research and summarization. That's why LLMs are very useful. Suppose if you want to write a script, so if you ask in a chat GPT, it gives the answer within seconds. So it speed up the content creation, right? So everything has a pros and cons. In that same way, LLMs also have some limitations. It don't have any real emotions, so it don't know everything. It can sometimes give a wrong answers also. Don't have any personal opinions, it only have a pattern based text. So it don't access internet unless connected to a live search. So these are some limitations. The next topic is prompting. What is prompting? Prompting means giving an instructions to an AI in a smart way so you get an output you want. A prompt is basically a command plus content plus format. So there are multiple ways giving a prompt. Good prompt and a bad prompt. Suppose you are a student, you want to learn a Java. For example of a bad prompt, you type explain Java. So it give all the details. But you are a student developer, so they don't know. So they give all the details. For example, a good prompt. So you give prompt like this: explain Java basics in simple language with examples suitable for a complete beginners. Keep tone friendly and structured. So the chat GPT or a Gemini understand you are a student, so it give the output in your way. So it is a good prompt. So good prompt gives an what you want, style, format, target audience. I hope you understand. So in the next class we will discuss on types of prompt.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for staying till the end. I hope you learned something new today. If you found this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and share it to someone. I will back with more videos on prompt engineering and other useful videos. See you in the next one.